Fun fact, cars are not allowed in Discovery Bay. Only golf carts which cost over $1 million Hong Kong dollars each. Froi and Geri! Hello Hong Kong and hello world! Today, we're gonna feature the dining options of this unique expat community, Discovery Bay. We'll take you to both North Plaza and South Plaza to explore the food establishments available in DB. This amazing community can be reached either by bus or by ferry. It has its own ferry service at the South Plaza, which will take you to the Central Ferry Piers.
So from the ferry pier, there's Pacific Coffee, so you can have your coffee time there. And at the same time, you can enjoy this view here, which is just so awesome. So here's a walking tour of Discovery Bay South Plaza. There are alfresco bars. Pizza Express, and of course McDonald's.
Guys, they have their own beachfront. Isn't that amazing?
If you want Mexican food, then you can go here. They have their own bookstore there. I don't know if you can read that, but that's Bookazine. And there are food establishments downstairs.
Guys, although Discovery Bay is just next to Disneyland, DB is not really a tourist attraction, but an amazing expat community. This is where expats and wealthy locals go to find homes that are more spacious than the ones in Hong Kong Island. So, if you want an insight into Hong Kong's multicultural environment, then Discovery Bay is truly worth a visit.
Have you seen those green tents there? You can just stay there and eat.
As mentioned earlier, DB can also be reached by bus. We have a bus ride video to Discovery Bay North Plaza from Sunny Bay, so check that out.
Welcome to Discovery Bay North Plaza. Guys, I'm gonna tour you around the establishments here at DB North. This is welcome. And there's Calimex. If you want to go here for coffee, we have two coffee establishments here at DB North. So one is Anchoros and the other, of course, is Starbucks. And then there's this Gilmore's for salads and burgers and all-day breakfast. This is our favorite pizza, Paisanos. For our viewers who are Indians and Nepali or Pakistani at that, there's Indian cuisine here. And there's another establishment here. They have kids menu and sushi tacos. They have here a play center, which is known as Epic Land. So this is perfect for the family and kids. This is such a perfect place to relax.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy.
So if you're romantic and with a lover, you can go here.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry.
Don't forget to subscribe. Remember to be joyful always, prayerful at all times, and thankful in all circumstances. Stay awesome!